We're going to review the top 5 best algae scrapers, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Pen Plax Cascade Hob Power Filter. The Pen Plax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter features a revolutionary bio-falls quad filtration system to keep your tank clean and healthy. The polyfiber floss cartridge traps floating particulate matter while the activated carbon cartridge removes harmful chemicals, toxins, odors, discoloration and other contaminants from the water. The internal sponge optimizes the colonization of beneficial anaerobic bacteria while removing ammonia and nitrites. The external bio-falls wet-dry biological booster provides anaerobic bacteria for additional ammonia and nitrite removal while enhancing oxygen exchange for maximum water oxygenation. This hang-on aquarium filter attaches easily to your tank by sliding over the edge of the glass. Number 2. Marine Hob Breeding Box. So this is a type of refugium in the technical sense. It is a safe refuge for fish. But typically, in the saltwater hobby, a refugium refers to a place to grow macroalgae. So I'm stretching the definition a bit. This marine hob breeding box is actually quite cool. I've never owned one myself, but I can't tell you how many times I wish I had something just like this. Especially once your tank is fully established, the introduction of any new fish can bring out aggression. Sometimes all you need is a safe place for all the fish to see each other until they get used to the new fish. This hob breeding box is also a natural refuge for any fish that might be being picked on by its other tank mates. Number 3. Flipper Aquarium Magnet Cleaner. Clean fresh or salt water tanks with the patented dual-sided magnetic aquarium glass cleaner that flips from scrubber to non-scratch scraper with no reaching into your tank. The 2-in-1 magnetic aquarium fish tank algae cleaner halves the time for daily cleaning. Ideal aquarium accessories for use on glass tanks up to 3/8 1/2 thickness, 150 gallons. These aquarium cleaning tools clean even the most stubborn coralline algae. The Flipper Fish Tank Cleaner is made with rare earth magnets for incredible cleaning strength. Unique orienting buoyancy keeps the cleaner upright for easy retrieval. Plus, Flipper Algae Remover for fish tanks does not sink like a rock if the magnets are disengaged. Number 4. Gulfstream Tropical AGU 125 MED Mag Float Glass Aquarium Cleaner. Magfloat are one of the best-known manufacturers of magnetic aquarium cleaners, and this is one of the most popular and readily bought cleaning tools on the market. Suitable for glass tanks only. The cleaning magnet floats so as easy to retrieve if it pulls apart from the outer magnet. Its buoyancy means that it's easier than ever to navigate around the tank, even on corners. It's very tough on algae, thanks to its rough scrubbing surface, and removes it quickly and effectively. Although you still need to be careful, especially if you have a fine substrate, the cleaner doesn't tend to pick up any sand or gravel at the bottom of the tank, so it shouldn't scratch your glass. Number 5. Collar Products Fish Tank Scraper. Make short work of cleaning algae from your aquarium with this 22-inch Tom Aquarium Algae Scraper Multi-Tool, featuring 3 interchangeable attachments. Comfortable, ergonomic grip for easy usage plus a corrosion-resistant fiberglass handle. The multi-tool algae scraper comes with a stainless steel algae scraper attachment, algae removing pad for getting to difficult-to-reach areas, and shovel attachment for scooping up fallen objects. The tools are easily interchangeable. Multi-tool algae scraper can be used in both freshwater and saltwater tanks.